Okay, students, we're going to look at something called trade discount. There are two things we'll look at this week. This one is called trade discount, another one is called cash discount. So let me start off with a trade discount. A trade discount is a discount given when you purchase anything. Now, the first formula that I need to know is this formula called net price. Okay, if you check the question clearly, they told me there's going to be a 20% discount and they want us me to find the net price after giving us the listed price as 600. So if I go based on the formula, this should be 600 1 minus 20%. So what am I going to do? I just take my calculator out. 600 1 minus 20%, and I have my answer, which is 480. This is how we find the net price after a trade discount. Now we come to the next word, a chain of discount. That means you have a discount that is more than one. Example, something like this. They give you more than one. So how do I find the net price when there is more than one? This is the formula that functions in the question. So when I check according to the formula, the net price now should be 6,000 1 minus 10%, 1 minus 5%. So with this, I'm able to get what we call my net price. So I take my calculator, 6,000 1 minus 10%, close the bracket, 1 minus 5%. And I have my value, which is 5130 as the net price. Now, if the question want me to find what is the total discount that received, so the total discount should be, we get what we call the list price and we minus off with the net price. Okay, the list price was 6,000 and I minus off with the net price 5130. So take out my calculator, 6,000 minus 5130. So the discount received was 870. Now we look at something called a single discount, meaning I'm going to take the few discounts, I'm going to merge them and make it as one. That's called a single discount. How do I go about? Let's look at question first one. I want to find what is the single discount. 1 minus, how many discounts do you see? You see 3 discounts here. 1 minus 3%, one of it. 1 minus 2% and 1 minus 1%. Now after that is a matter of pressing your calculator. So I take out my calculator, 1 minus 3%, close the bracket, 1 minus 2%, close the bracket, 1 minus 1%. Once you have already got the answer, take the answer and you times it 100. So you get 5.89% if I want it in 2 decimal. Okay, now what if I want to find the net price using the single discount? So it is already 5.89 now. So since it's already a 5.89% as a single discount, when I'm planning to find my net price, what am I going to do? I'm just going to take, for question B, I'm just going to take the formula net price equal to 600 1 minus 5.89%. So I just press the calculator after this. Okay, 600 1 minus 5.89%. That's all. So I have my amount 564.66. This is how we treat trade discount question. We look at normal net price, we look at chain discount, we look at single discount. These are the 3 things that we require for trade discount.